Our planet Earth is a precious home that sustains all life, but it's facing challenges like never before. Rapid urbanization, industrialization, and overconsumption are taking a toll on our environment. But amidst the challenges, there is hope. One day stands as a global reminder of our responsibilities to protect and restore our planet. World Environment Day, celebrated on June 5th every year, brings people together to take action and create positive change. World Environment Day is an opportunity to raise awareness, mobilize communities, and drive sustainable practices. Small actions can lead to a significant impact. By coming together, we can restore ecosystems, reduce pollution, and ensure a sustainable future. Under the umbrella of 10 billion Tree Tsunami Pakistan Wildlife Balochistan, concrete efforts are being made for a better and more sustainable environment for flora and fauna. Here's what we have achieved so far. Under habitat improvement works, we have achieved a massive target of 2100 acres. For the promotion of private breeding farms through the communities, a total of 15 farms have been established across the province. More than 850 water ponds have been established for the purpose to fulfill wildlife drinking water needs and place for afforestation. To welcome our guest migratory birds, we have established 20 staging areas where these migratory birds rest, feed, and continue their long journey. Nearly 100% from the communities have been engaged to protect flora and fauna as wildlife task force and Negibans. To support local communities and provide livelihood opportunities, nearly 100 small-scale projects have been distributed all across the province. We have incorporated academia into our journey as well. 40 students from different universities in Balochistan have been engaged in different research, and most of the research is complete by this time. A total of nearly 1,000 acres have been utilized for raising of feedlots. This works as an alternative site for wildlife to feed. Under community vaccination, more than 6,000 livestock have been vaccinated. This vaccination helps to stop the spread of disease to wildlife out there. 6 wetlands and 5 Ramsar sites have been established, which has received countrywide appreciation. Apart from these, ecotourism huts, community game reserves, wildlife offices, checkposts at vintage points, fencing of protected areas, and solid waste management is part of our activities. Under the leadership of Mr. Mohammad Niaz Khan Kakar, the project director, 10 billion Tree Tsunami Wildlife Component, sincere efforts are being done. On this World Environment Day, let's stand united, make a difference, and create a world where nature and humanity thrive together. Together, we can make a lasting difference for our planet and future generations.